Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce yourself about guaranteed QoS routing algorithm for MPLS network. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Afif Muhammadul Fikri. The internet has become an integrated carrier gradually, which has multi-business such as data, voice, video, multimedia, and so on. New multimedia application require the network to guarantee quality of service. MPLS network has the capability of routing with some specific constraint for supporting device, out of which bandwidth is the most important constraint. The efficient routing algorithm should have low computational complexity, high network utilization, and low call blocking presence. This proposes a new bandwidth guaranteed QoS routing algorithm based on MPLS network. It is based on three objectives. First, minimum interference levels with the other source destination node pairs. Second, optimizing the network resource utilization using the Stara algorithm. And third is reducing algorithm complexity. The simulation results show that proposed algorithm perform better in terms of network utilization, low call blocking percent, reduced path length, and low complexity. The multi-protocolable switching, or MPLS, was introduced to address the drawback of the conventional IP routing, which forward packet based on destination address only. To deal with the scalability of routing and also to meet the requirement of newly developed service, there is an increasing need for new routing functionality on routing protocols. By extending the IP routing functionality, traffic engineer can be carried out and thus improve the network performance. The most popular solution to support QoS routing in the internet are different service or DiffServ and MPLS. MPLS network has the capability of routing with some specific constraint for supporting desired QoS. MPLS is an efficient encapsulation mechanism which uses label appended to packet for transport of data. Label can be used as designator, for example, IP prefix, ATM, PC, or bandwidth guaranteed path. MPLS network inherit the advantage of connection-oriented network and the flexibility of connectionless network. They provide QoS guaranteed service with a lower computational complexity and operational cost compared with IP network with ATM connectivity structure. The MPLS architecture is remarkable for its flexibility. First, data can be taken over any combination of layer 2 technology. Second, support is offered for all layers 3 protocol. Third, scaling is possible well beyond anything over into the network. MPLS, or multi-protocolable switching, work by prefixing packet with an MPLS header containing one or more label. This is called a label stack. Each label stack entry contains 4 fields. First, a 20-bit label value, then a 3-bit traffic class field for QoS priority or experimental and ECN or explicit connection notification. Then a 1-bit bottom of stack flag. If this is set, it signifies that the current label is the last in the stack. And 8-bit TTL or time to leave field. Then for related work, first we review some of the most popular algorithms, such as the minimum hop algorithm or MHA, the wide very shortest path algorithm, the minimum interference routing algorithm, and bandwidth guarantee MPLS routing algorithm. This algorithm takes into account topological layout of the ingress and egress point of the network. The shortest widest path algorithm. The shortest widest path algorithm select their path with the maximum available bandwidth, and if there are more than one such path, the one with the least of number of is chosen. SWP also create bottlenecks for future LSP and lead to network under utilization. For minimum interface routing algorithm, the key idea of MIRA or minimum interface routing algorithm is to route a new connection over a path which allows interference with possible future requests. MIRA exploit the knowledge of ingress-egress pairs in finding a feasible path. The main aim is to route a new connection through a path that does not interfere with a path that may be critical to satisfy a future demand. Here, a critical link is identified as a link that can decrease the maximum flow or max flow value of one or more ingress-egress pair if a critical link has been selected in path. The algorithm attempt to avoid the critical links as much as possible during a path selection. In fact, MIRA consider the amount of interference on a particular ingress as the reduction in the maximum available. So in this paper, in this presentation, I propose a new bandwidth guarantee LSP routing algorithm for MPLS network called BGMRA. Paths are selected based on critical links so as to minimize interference with the future request. Simulation experiments have been conducted to examine the performance new algorithm using two different network topologies. We observed that BGMRA performs better for complex network in terms of